Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo ThinkCentre M90a Pro Gen 4 Flagship all-in-one desktop PC. So friends, it is designed to address the needs of modern workspace and content creators. This powerhouse Windows 11 PC bows with a massive 27-inch QHD display, and it is equipped with smart features that enhance connectivity, privacy and usability and Trinit including Intel Mi Pro Enterprise with up to 13th generation Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 laptop GPU, and up to 64 GB of DDR5 memory. And friend, it is equipped with NLD performance optimizer which utilize machine learning to classify tasks and boost performance. And friend, it boasting a 27-inch QHD display capable of showing even the most minute detail. AIS size at 350 nits and has an sRGB 99% rating, so that designs and artwork accurately reflect the artist's inspiration and vision. And brand. In addition to the Thunderbolt 4 port, it offers an optional Thunderbolt 3 port that allows users to set the display as a Thunderbolt monitor when connected via including USB Type-C cable. And through this feature, you can also share a second M.2 SSD to laptop or PC with super while enjoying high-speed data transfer rates. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.